Okay, so now we have to understand game of partial fraction. Okay, so in this part what will happen? You will have numerator as linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, 5 degree and so on. And the denominator will be 1 degree less, 1 degree greater than that. Okay, as you can see the first example, numerator is linear but the denominator is quadratic. Linear, quadratic, quadratic, cubic, quadratic, cubic, quadratic, cubic. Okay, so now how we will handle this situation? So you will have some scenarios in which you guys will factorize that thing. Okay, the denominator has to be factorized and you have to write down this thing as sum of some things. Okay, like look at this. I will break down the first component. So first component is having x minus a, so you will be writing x minus a. Now try to observe the power of x minus a. So power of x minus a is 1. So you will be writing x minus a till 1. You will start from 1, you will end at 1. Okay. So this is the first component. Now the denominator is linear. So this means numerator has to be constant. So I will be using constant a. Okay, now done with the first component. Now look at the second component. So second component is what? X minus b. What is the power of x minus b? 1. So you will start from 1, you will end at 1. You will always start from 1 only and you will keep on increasing the power till you got the final power of this thing. Okay, now suppose that look at this, you know that the denominator is linear, so the numerator has to be constant, so you will be using new constant b. And now what you have to do, you have to solve for a and b. You will find value of a, value of b. Now you can segregate this question into two questions and you can solve accordingly. Now look at the second component. In second component, you will observe that you have only one factor, x minus a. So you will be start writing x minus a till, you will start from 1 and you will write till the given power. So 1 is done. Now we have to write one more quantity. So sorry, numerator is not 1. Okay, so x minus a power 2. Comfortable? Now look at this. This is linear. You have to focus on the entity which is inside the bracket. So if it is linear, you will be writing constant. If it is quadratic, you will be writing linear. If it is cubic, you will be writing quadratic. So constant a, and here also if you'll observe, inside bracket it is linear, so you will be writing constant b. You will be solving for a and b and then you can segregate one question into two questions and those two questions will be easier. Okay, now look at this. You have this component. So what is the first factor? X minus a. So write x minus a, start the power of x minus a from 1 and you will reach till the given power. So the given power is also 1. So you will stop here only. Now you wrote linear, so you will be writing constant, that is a. Now second component is what? X minus b. You will start from power 1 and you will reach at power this. The power is this is 1 only. So you will stop here. So this is linear, so you will be writing constant. So what is that? Constant. Constant is b. Okay. Now introduce another factor. So another factor is x minus c. you will start power from 1, you will end at this power. So this power is 1 only, so you will stop here. Again it is linear, so you will be writing constant C. Now for this question you have to find A, B and C, and you can solve this question like instead of solving this component you can solve the RHS component and it will be much more easier. Now look at this component. So look at the denominator. You have factor first component as x minus a. So you will be starting from x minus a to the power 1 and you will write till this power. So this is first I wrote. Now we have to write another thing, which is we have to increase the power. So earlier we wrote 1, now we have to write 2 and this is 2. So we have to stop here. Okay, now what is inside bracket? Inside bracket it is linear, so we will be writing a constant. So who is that constant? A. Now look at next component. If you'll observe next component inside bracket it is linear, so we will be writing constant B. Now what is the next component? Next component is x minus b. So x minus b. Now you will start from 1, you will stop at the power. So power is only 1, so you will stop here. Now it's inside bracket it is linear, so you will be writing constant on the numerator. So the new constant is C. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at the next component. So next component, if you'll observe the first factor, you will have x minus a. So write x minus a, start power of x minus a from 1 and you will stop at this power. So this power is also 1, so you have to stop here. Now look at the entity inside the bracket. So entity inside bracket is a linear, so you will be writing constant, that is a. And then you will be writing next component. So next component is x square plus bx plus c. So you will be writing this thing, you will start the power as 1 and you will stop at this point. So you know that you have 1 only, so you will stop here. Now look at inside bracket. So inside bracket it is quadratic. So if it is quadratic you will be writing linear on the numerator, correct? So write linear. So linear is bx plus c. This c and this c both are different. Okay, that you can consider as small c. This is big C. I hope this idea is clear, and from now onwards if you will observe these kind of question, okay, you can handle accordingly and then we will integrate those part. Okay.